Hello folks, welcome back. In this video, we present a popular online platform, Replit, that allows users to write and run code in a variety of programming languages. Let us dive into the details of this platform. What is Replit? Replit is an online code editor, compiler, and interpreter that provides a collaborative environment for developers to build and deploy projects. It supports over 50 programming languages, including popular ones like Python, JavaScript, Java, and C++. Key features. 1. Code editor. Replit offers a feature-rich code editor with syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and code folding. 2. Collaboration. Real-time collaboration allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. 3. Version control. Replit integrates with Git, allowing users to manage different versions of their code. 4. Deploy. Projects can be deployed directly from Replit to a variety of platforms, including web servers and mobile devices. 5. Community. Replit has a large community of developers who share projects, provide feedback, and collaborate on new ideas. Benefits. 1. Accessibility. Replit allows users to access their projects from anywhere, at any time, using a web browser. 2. Ease of use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to developers of all skill levels. 3. Flexibility. Replit supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. Use cases. 1. Learning. Replit is a great platform for students and beginners to learn programming concepts and work on projects. 2. Development. Professional developers can use Replit to build and deploy projects quickly, collaborate with team members, and showcase their work. 3. Prototyping. Replit's rapid development capabilities make it an ideal platform for prototyping and testing new ideas. Pricing. Replit offers both free and paid plans, with varying features and limitations. The free plan includes basic features, while paid plans offer additional features like increased storage, priority support, and more. Target audience. 1. Developers. Replit is designed for developers of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. 2. Educators. Teachers and educators can use Replit to create and share educational content, assignments, and projects. 3. Students. Students can use Replit to work on projects, learn programming concepts, and collaborate with peers. Replit's impact. Replit has democratized access to coding, making it possible for anyone to learn, build, and deploy projects without the need for expensive hardware or software. Its collaborative features have also enabled global communities of developers to come together and work on innovative projects. Try out this tool and please do let me know your comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another tool.